everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show how to make stir fry tiger prawn. For the ingredient I have 600 grams of tiger prawn, 1 red onion, 4 cloves of garlic, some parsley, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of white wines, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, half teaspoon of salt, and half teaspoon of black pepper. Okay, right now I'm going to cut red onion, garlic, and parsley. Okay, right now everything already cut. Right now I'm going to start cooking. In the hot pan, I'm going to add olive oil. Okay, and then I'm going to add red onion and garlic inside. Okay, right now the garlic and red onion become light brown, so I'm going to add parsley inside. And then I'm going to put salt and pepper inside. And then soy sauce. Okay, right now I'm going to add tiger prawn inside. And right now I'm going to cover it for 1 minute. Okay, right now after 1 minute I'm going to flip over the prawn. Okay, and right now I'm going to cover and keep it for under 1 minute. Okay, and right now 1 minute is ready. And right now I'm going to add the white wine inside. Okay, and right now I'm going to cover it a little bit, about 20 seconds. Now it's ready, so I'm going to turn off the heat and transfer to the plate. Okay, right now the stir fry tiger prawn is ready. So right now I'm going to try it. Because it's too big, so I have to use the scissors to cut it. It tastes so good.
Okay everyone, thank you for watching my video. Let's try to make this at home. It tastes really good. And please like and subscribe to my channel for more video. Thank you. Bye.